Hello everyone, this is Subhas Srivastav, Principal KV3 Jhansi, and today we will discuss about teachers and teacher education under National Education Policy 2020. The development of a nation depends upon the kind of education it provides to its teachers. So here we are talking about the teacher education. The teachers truly shape the future of our children and therefore the future of our nation. And teacher in our country was the most respected member of the society. However, unfortunately, this status has been dropped. Justice J.S. Verma Commission, constituted in 2012, observed a majority of stand-alone teacher education institutes, over 10,000 in number, are not even attempting serious teacher education but are essentially selling the degrees for a price. This is very unfortunate. Now, to restore the prestige of the teaching profession, this policy reflects on quality of teacher training, recruitment, deployment, service conditions, empowerment and motivation of the teacher. And here we will discuss the points under National Education Policy: teacher education, teacher recruitment and deployment, empowering teacher, special educator, and timeline for implementation. Now, first of all, about teacher education program, by 2025, all teacher education institutes will be required to convert into multidisciplinary institute. What is multidisciplinary here? The multidisciplinary means combination involving several academic disciplines. So means in teacher education institutes, apart from education department, the department of psychology, philosophy, sociology, neuroscience, Indian languages, art, history, science, maths, these departments also will be there. So this is multidisciplinary approach in teacher education, and by 2030 it will be compulsory to have 4-year integrated B.Ed for teaching profession. Now, what about the applicants with an existing bachelor's degree? So, institutes will offer 2-year B.Ed course for them, and for those who have completed equivalent 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor's degree, for them 1-year B.Ed course will be offered. And this will also offered for the candidates who have obtained a master's degree in a speciality and want to become teacher in that speciality only. So here the focus on the students who are living in remote areas, that has also been given. These institutes will provide the integrated B.Ed program for such students also, but the mode of teaching will be blended or ODL. Blended means mixed. It is the combination of offline and online teaching, and ODL is open and distance learning. And all B.Ed program will include training in time-tested techniques. Time-tested techniques. That means these techniques, their effectiveness has been proved over a long period of time. So education in all the areas will be provided by time-tested techniques only. And in this policy, the emphasis on inclusion of fundamental duties also have been given. There is a freedom to choose to call the master instructors for promoting local professions like local art, music, agriculture, business, sports. And for such master instructors, the sheltered local teacher education programs that will also be available at BITES, DIETS or at school complexes. What is this BITES? This is Block Institute of Teacher Education. So the training will also be imparted to such master instructors, and sheltered post B.Ed courses will also be available here. Now, how this policy focusing on improving teacher education, we will discuss in brief. So all teacher education programs to be conducted within composite multidisciplinary institutes only. New and comprehensive National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education, that means NCFTE. This will be implemented by 2021, and this will taking into account the new NCF 2020 which is under process. Stringent action against substandard standalone teacher education institute. That means such substandard teacher education institute will have to improve or will not function, will not run. And now it is not easy to take admission in B.Ed. The National Testing Agency will conduct entrance examination to take the admission. And an statutory body will be formed, it will be established, HECI. This HECI is Higher Education Commission of India, and NHERC is the vertical of HECI. This NHERC, National Higher Education Regulatory Council, this is the vertical of HECI. So this will function as single point regulation for higher education sector, and this will include teacher education also. NEP focusing on quality of teacher education program. Only educationally sound, multidisciplinary and integrated teacher education program to be made available. A national mission for mentoring will be established. So the outstanding senior retired faculty who are willing to provide short or long-term mentoring will be the member of such a large pool. TET at all stages will be strengthened, and it will be compulsory even for teaching in private schools. To ensure truly excellent students in the teaching profession, large number of merit-based scholarship will be instituted for 4-year integrated B.Ed course. Now come to the teacher recruitment and deployment. A comprehensive teacher recruitment planning exercise will be conducted throughout the country in coming 20 years, and the practice of hiring new para teachers will eventually be phased out. Means जो कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल टीचर्स रखे जाते थे शॉर्ट टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पर, वो धीरे धीरे वो प्रैक्टिस फेज्ड आउट हो जाएगी. स्ट्रेंथनिंग टीईटीज, जो टीईटी है वो सभी स्टेजेस पे, स्कूल एजुकेशन की सभी स्टेजेस पे कंपलसरी होगा, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में, प्राइवेट स्कूल में, सभी लेवल पर. ट्रांसपेरेंट ट्रांसफर सिस्टम to ensure that teacher can build relationship with community. Transfer will be in very special circumstances and through online mode only. Tag based planning for teacher recruitment. So tag based planning, forecasting for teacher recruitment to access expected subject wise teacher vacancy. So over next 2 decades this practice will be done. टेस्ट स्कोर एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पार्ट ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट. अभी तक जो पॉलिसी है, एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट इज क्वालिफाइंग, दिस इज क्वालिफाइंग टेस्ट, Now the marks in specific subject, these will also considered, and the interview will be the integral part of teacher recruitment. Certificate courses. So developing specialization for subject to teach Divyang children, children with special need, children with disabilities. The teacher preparation, this will be done with the help of NCTE and RCI. This RCI is Rehabilitation Council of India, and these two signed one OMU in 2015. Restructuring of NCTE. This NCTE will be restructured as PSSB, Professional Standard Setting Body. This PSSB will work under General Education Council, which is the part of HECI. Okay, so now we will discuss about empowering teachers. Technology based comprehensive teacher recruitment planning, this we have already discussed. Teachers to have more autonomy in choosing the aspects of pedagogy in classroom teaching, so they may have teach in more effective manner. So teachers will also focus on socio-emotional learning. Career management and progression. So those teachers who are doing outstanding work, these must be given promotion, salary raised, and there is a provision of incentives also. Career growth is available to teachers within a single school stage. What does this mean? The career growth is available in a single school stage. Means अगर कोई टीचर फाउंडेशन पे ज्वाइन करता है, that will get the career growth in that foundation level also. अगर वो मिडिल में ज्वाइन करता है तो उसे वहां कैरियर ग्रोथ मिलेगी. तो यहाँ पर कोई स्टेज, एक स्टेज लेस इंपॉर्टेंट है, दूसरा मोर इंपॉर्टेंट है, ऐसा नहीं है. नो स्टेज विल बी considered more important than any other, and all stages of a school education will require to the high quality of teachers, and that means this policy, it is restricting the move across the stage. However, the move across the stage will be allowed provided that the teacher has desired qualification. Now academic leadership. We are talking about academic leadership position in schools, school complexes, and teacher training education institutes. So on the merit basis, outstanding teachers will be trained to take academic leadership positions in school and in training institutes. Next one is National Professional Standard for Teacher, means NPST. This will be developed by NCT with coordination with the NCERT and will be developed by 2022. And this will cover role of teacher at different level and competencies required for that level or rank. This NPST will also design the pre-service teacher education program. Teacher professional development. The teachers will be given constant opportunity for self-improvement to learn the latest innovation. There will be a merit-based tenure track system. And every teacher every year will attend minimum 50 hours of continuous professional development training program. However, in this program they can choose their own module as per their requirement. Improving service environment through better infrastructure at school. Improving service environment through better infrastructure at school. Primary goal of overhauling the service environment and culture of the school is to maximize the ability of the teacher to do their job effectively. There must be an adequate and safe environment in the school. Now we will talk about timelines for implementation in NEP 2020. Here we will discuss only about the timeline related to teachers' education. First of all, there will be the implementation of National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education by 2021. This will be based on NCF 2020, which is under process. A common guiding set of National Professional Standard for Teacher NPST will be implemented by 2022. Teacher education will be gradually moved into multidisciplinary college and university with minimum degree qualification 4-year B.Ed. This process will complete by 2030, and only educationally sound multidisciplinary and integrated teacher education program shall be posed, and all TEIs will be converted into multidisciplinary institutes. Finally, by recruiting more number of effective teachers, preferably knowing local languages and local traditions, providing them effective teacher training, giving them liberty in pedagogy, and empowering our teachers and students with Diksha app-like platform, the education system can be reformed. Thank you for watching. Thank you.